I'm going to show you how to take a radiator out of a 90 Honda Civic. A lot of these Hondas are the same way. I'm going to remove this air induction tube with a 10mm ratchet. Okay, there's another bolt right here, so I'll just use the same 10mm. Once this bolt is removed, you can see the entire thing just pulls right out of the way. We'll take off this top radiator hose. Once this is loose, you can pull the clamp back and just start to work it off. Now this antifreeze, you want to make sure that none of it is just puddled up. So you want to dilute it, because animals, there's a sweet smell to it and they're attracted to it, and if they drink it, it could kill the animal. We'll remove this overflow tube. We're going to remove the two brackets here and on this side right here to release the top of the radiator. We'll use a 10mm wrench. This entire car is pretty much 10mm. So now the entire bracket comes off and you can see that the radiator starts to move. And the same thing to this other bracket. And with this bracket out, you can see now that it really moves. I'm going to go ahead and remove this overflow tube bracket. This will let the radiator move a little freer. I'm going to take the two bolts off the top of the fan. When these bolts are out of the way, this fan completely comes out. Now we need to remove this bottom radiator hose. We'll use an 8mm socket to remove it. We'll work this clamp up, and before we pull this off, you want to make sure that you have a bucket underneath to catch the fluid. We'll slide a bucket underneath. Now we can work off this hose. With everything disconnected, you can go ahead and remove the radiator. Now we'll dump all the antifreeze out into a bucket. So this is how you remove a radiator on a Honda. There's a lot of years that are like this.